Hello students. So today we would like to talk about comparing. Okay. So in programming, when you're writing your program, there will be a place when you need to compare something before you make a decision on what you want to do next. Okay. So this is just an introduction of what comparing is. So normally when you're comparing something, you are looking for an answer. And an answer is either yes or no. Okay. And yes in programming or in Python, that's what will be called true. Okay, true. And no is what will be called false, when something is not what you're asking. So, and this is how you compare. So comparison is in 4 ways, but we'll go one by one. You can compare if something is greater than another one. Okay, and this is, let's say if I had so let me open my terminal here real quick. So view terminal, and then there was something I was already doing here, so let me just clear and start again. Okay, so Python, and then here, so let's go. So let's say my age, I am 20, and your age, you are 23, and we can check, is my age, so basically am I older than you, is greater than your age? The answer is false, because 20 is not greater than 23. So you can check that, you can use that greater than sign. So the first thing we've looked at is the greater than, which you use this. Okay, so e.g. if I had my, so let me put here my age here equals to 20, and your age equals to 23, and then you can check, is my age, so this time I'll have to print here because it's not on the terminal. So print, is my age greater than your age? So am I older than you, basically? Okay, that can be either true or false. How about, am I are you older than me, or is my age less than your age? So less than, that's how we're checking. So that we use the opposite, is the other arrow. Okay, that is called the less than sign. So print, is my age less than your age? So it's a question you're asking. So is my age less than your age? That would be true. Yes, 20 is less than 23. Okay, okay, let's go to the third one. How about equal? Are we age mates? Okay, equal. Is equal. Is equal, still use the equal sign, but two of them. Remember the normal equal sign was for assigning or setting this, my age equals to 20 and your age equals to 23. But how about if you want to compare, if you're checking, if you're asking a question, is two equal signs. Okay, so you can have my age, same thing again, my age is equal to your age, which will be, if you guessed false, that's correct, because they're not equal. Okay, your age, it's false, they're not equal. Okay, how about not equal? To check if something is not equal, you don't want to check whether it's greater or less, you just want to know they're not equal. Is the opposite of that. So is not equal, we will check with exclamation. I hope you know it is at number 1, shift 1, is not equal. Okay, and you can just have some, my age is not equal, and that one will be, if you guessed true, you're correct, because if there were not, if equal was false, then the opposite should be true. Okay, so my age is not equal to your age. Okay, so I can also have it as print, my age not equal to your age. So that is comparison, and that's how we compare things in Python or in programming in general. So this is basically bringing up a new type that we've looked at a number of types, but now this is a new type. And I told you, any type, if you want to know which type something is, you just use the function type. So type, what is the type of my edge is not equal to your edge. Basically, whatever I get. So let me do this actually. So let me say this is my result. So I can call it result equals to my edge is not equal to your edge. So whatever I get back from this comparison, whatever I get back, that's what to put in result. Okay. So what is the type of result? Is bool, or what you call Boolean. Okay. So all this true, false, the type is called Boolean, and Boolean was named after the mathematician who came up with this mathematics theory of truth and false. Okay. So this is also what we call logic. Okay. So yes, so that is what I wanted to show you today, and we will see it in action in now our full-fledged program when we'll be comparing things and then making a decision what to do next. Okay, so see you there.